Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Students, today we will learn numbers from 21 to 30. Let's count, say and trace together. 21, 2 10 and 1 more 21. Now trace the number 21. 2 and 1, 21. Very good. 2 10 and 2 more 22. Say it loudly 22. Now trace 2 2 22. Very nice students. Now comes 23. अब हम चलते हैं 23 की तरफ. 2 tens and 3 more 23. Let's count the objects going to the picture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 and 23. Wow, excellent students. Now trace 2, 3. Extra number is 24. 2 10 and 4 more 24. Let's count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Trace 2, 4, 24. Very good. Excellent. Now 25. 2 tens and 5 more 25. Trace 2 5 25.